Today I am reviewing the DREAME L50 Ultra Robot Vacuum in Mop White. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The DREAME L50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is one of those smart home devices that instantly changes how you think about cleaning. From the moment you set it up, it's clear this isn't just another robot vacuum. It's a fully automated floor care system designed for people who want powerful performance, intelligent navigation, and almost zero daily maintenance. If you're looking for a robot that can truly replace manual vacuuming and mopping, the L50 Ultra makes a very strong case. What immediately stands out is the sheer cleaning power. With an impressive 19,500 pascals of suction, this robot is in a completely different league compared to older or budget models. It has no trouble pulling fine dust out of floor gaps, lifting embedded debris from carpets, or handling larger particles like pet food and crumbs. Whether you have hardwood floors, tiles, low-pile carpets, or mixed surfaces throughout your home, the suction automatically adapts to deliver consistent results without sounding overly loud. Despite the power, the advanced motor design keeps noise levels surprisingly controlled, making it suitable for daytime cleaning or even early mornings. For homes with pets or long hair, the HyperStream detangling duo brush system is a game-changer. Instead of hair wrapping tightly around a single roller and reducing performance, the dual brush setup uses a combination of bristled rubber and TPU rubber to guide hair directly into the suction path. This dramatically reduces tangling and helps the vacuum maintain peak efficiency over time. It's especially useful if you're tired of constantly pulling hair out of traditional brush rolls. Navigation is another area where the L50 Ultra truly shines. Thanks to AI-powered obstacle recognition combined with 3D structured light, the robot can identify and avoid over 180 types of common household objects. Shoes, cables, toys, furniture legs, and even smaller obstacles are detected accurately, allowing the robot to move confidently without bumping or getting stuck. This smart path planning makes cleaning more efficient and reduces the need to prep your home before every run. One of the most impressive innovations is the ProLeap system, which allows the robot to lift its retractable legs and cross door tracks or thresholds up to 6 centimeters high. This solves one of the biggest limitations of robot vacuums, getting stuck between rooms. With the L50 Ultra, your entire home can be cleaned seamlessly without manual intervention or ramps. Mopping performance is equally advanced. The dual flex arm technology extends both the side brush and mop to reach corners, edges, and tight spaces that many robots miss. This ensures a more complete clean along walls, under furniture, and in narrow areas. The mop system intelligently handles different floor types and adjusts its behavior to maintain consistent contact without overwetting surfaces. Carpet care is highly customizable through the Dream Home app, offering 5 different modes. You can choose to lift the mops on low-pile carpets, remove them entirely to keep carpets dry, avoid carpets altogether, vacuum carpets twice for deeper cleaning, or boost suction for stubborn debris. This level of control makes the L50 Ultra suitable for homes with complex layouts and multiple flooring types. Where this robot truly feels ultra is in its all-in-one power dock. After cleaning, the robot automatically empties its dust bin, washes mop pads with hot water, dries them to prevent odors, refills water and cleaning solution, and even cleans its own base. You can go up to 100 days without manually emptying dust, turning floor cleaning into a nearly hands-free experience. Overall, the DREAME L50 Ultra is designed for people who want the best of automation, power, and intelligence in one device. It's ideal for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who values spotless floors without constant effort. Once it's set up, it quietly works in the background, delivering consistently clean results and freeing up your time. If you're looking for a premium robot vacuum and mop that genuinely feels like the future of home cleaning, the L50 Ultra absolutely delivers.